This is my ridge road, and I've pinpointed just a couple of things that stand out to me along different walks and from living here. So I've Johnny Wakely's farmhouse, which is located in behind our house. This is our house here. And then I've also put into this home on the ridge my kind of map from yesterday. This is my family home, located just off the Ridge Road, halfway between Birr and Banagher in County Offaly. We moved out here in 2006 after my dad inherited the land from an old farmer called Johnny Wakely, and his house is located. And I just put in the surrounding area of that field then as well, what we would have inherited. Moving a little closer. This would be our little field here. And then I've also pinpointed my walk that I would usually do that would take me down to the wall where I take photographs of each day. On my daily photo wall, this is up here. And I've added in a couple of images and then a short video I've uploaded to YouTube as well, just the wall at different times of day. Then going back here, I've added in there's a ring fort as well, which is behind Johnny Wakely's cottage. And I recorded a short video there today as well. This is the ring fort here. I've added in the short lane walk as well, which I might do some evenings or maybe in the morning time. So that will take me down to the end of this laneway here. And I've also added in, usually on this lane walk, I would collect wild garlic then as well to make pesto. And I've added in what the wild garlic looks like, maybe how to forage it then as well. And then also the short video then as well. On the laneway this morning. And the other thing that I usually notice, or I'm noticing at the moment, is I love the smell of lilac, and I'm waiting for this plant to bloom at the minute, or this bush to bloom. So I've just added that in this morning. On the date I might try and take more photographs of that as it blooms. So that's different things that I would notice on my walk around my area.